thing I love about this bag too is it's made of canvas.
The first thing I'm gonna do is we're gonna go over a little bit on the handle. So you're gonna have a piece that looks like this, and you're gonna fold it in half and press it good. Fold the outside edges to the middle, soft and stable. Put it inside one of the folds and fold it to the back. Stitch the end of that. Because of the thickness, a 1/4 inch sometimes isn't quite enough, so they recommend like 3/8. So you can see you've got fabric, soft and stable, and then 3 more pieces of fabric. You're gonna turn it. Boom. Mark 2.5 inches up. That's showing you where your tab is going, and I'm gonna fold it together. I stitched it all the way down, and then you've got this handle, and it's like tubing. This is my little tip. Definitely makes a difference in your handle. So you've got to
why you watch 3 Things Live.
Exactly.
You never know what you're going to learn.